Hello everyone, welcome back. To the new folks, how's it going? Today's project will be the Tesla projector lights, just how we had on Lucy the Model 3. Next will be that goofy mirror because it is just, ugh. But for right now, we're gonna go from this boo to this. Not bad, right? Alrighty. Let me show you these things. Here we have the Cybertruck projection lights. These are the official ones from Tesla, which will be projecting the Cyber logo on the floor. They come in a pack of 2. Super tiny, very lightweight. We have Tesla written here, the projector light itself. Very simple install. Let's get started. The first thing we are going to do as we make our way down the door is find this little light right here. This is the one that will be getting replaced. To remove the light, I'll be using a flathead screwdriver. Plus, since I don't want to scratch anything around, I'm also going to be using a pry tool so I can slide it underneath, then jab in the flathead, start applying some pressure until it pops out, and there you go, nice and easy. After we've pulled the light out, do be careful since there isn't a lot of electrical slack. Thankfully, unclipping the wire isn't difficult at all. We simply take the flathead, press in at the top of the clip, and you'll be able to start shimmying it out. Bam! See? There we have it. On to the next step. Here's a closer look at the clip itself. Flathead, top, press in, done. Before we install the light, they do come labeled, so you want to make sure you're installing the proper side. Then clip the electrical at the top, and this top end will be sliding into this area. So, we clip it in, we can already see that it's working, turn it, and start attaching it. Now, it's just a matter of finding the right spot. Push it in. Ta-da! Done. Super easy. Here we go. Even under some bright lights, they look really sharp. And as we go dark, they look absolutely incredible. I really love them. Well, that's it for this one. Make sure you stick around for the next project as I'll be installing the digital rear view mirror. So hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care.